Welcome, today in front of me Poco M5s, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key, we just see that the camera application is activated. But if you wanna, for example, use the touch or the assistant by double press or press to the power key button, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to additional settings. After that, tap here to gesture shortcuts, and now we can find here the launch camera section. So let's turn it off, go back and tap to turn on touch. Now just click here to the switcher to activate this option, and now by double press to power key we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, just click here twice again to the power key button, and that's it. So that's it. That's how to customize quick launch on our Poco M5s. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.